Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this quick and easy Jamaican Festival dumplings. Let's get started. Okay guys, so as usual, we're going to start off with our ingredients. This is actually a subscriber request, and it did remind me that I don't have a festivals recipe on my channel. So today's your lucky day. We'll be making some Jamaican festivals. Here I have some all-purpose flour. I'll be using coconut milk. It adds great flavor here, but if you want to use water or whole milk, feel free to do so. I also have some cornmeal, some salt, sugar, and baking powder. So the first thing you want to do is combine all of your dry ingredients, and then we will gradually start adding our coconut milk a little at a time. Please remember that you can adjust the sugar to your own liking, and flour absorbs differently depending on the brand. So the coconut milk may vary, So once everything is very well combined and you form a super soft dough, we will go ahead and allow this to rest for about 30 minutes. You want to allow the baking powder to activate. So let it rest. Do not rush the process, and then I will show you what to do next. So after about 30 minutes, the dough is now ready. I will go ahead and oil my hands to prevent the dough from sticking. If you use flour, it can change the texture of the dough, and we do not want that. So you want to go ahead and pinch small pieces off and roll it up into like a log shape. You can do these as big or as small as you like. It's all about personal preference. Once you carry on with this process and all the dough is gone, I will show you guys what to do next. Once they are done, this is how they should be looking. Now let's go ahead and start frying them up. So here to my preheated oil, it's preheated to about 325. You don't want the oil to be too hot. You want this to fry slow and on like medium heat, because you want them to cook all the way through. You don't want them to become very golden brown on the outside but raw in the inside. So once they are cooked all the way through, you want to then go ahead and remove them from the oil, add the second batch, and carry on with the process until you're all done. And here you have it, my version of Jamaican style festival dumplings. This was so delicious. It was crispy on the outside but pillowy soft on the inside, perfectly cooked all the way through. The coconut milk was a game changer, and I did enjoy this with some escovitch shrimp. Everything paired really well, and it was absolutely amazing. I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.